variable. Okay, so uh, let's say I would say a is equal to 7. So a is a variable, and 7 is the value of that variable. Okay, and in that also we have different data types like integer, float value, string, and boolean. So integer means 10 minus 5, or let's say I would say 10 100 uh, 555. It's like this is the value of this is an integer. So float, what is the float value? Float is a decimal numbers. It means like 10.54. Okay, so uh, as you can see, what is the difference between integer and float value? So it's 10. So after dot it's nothing like 4 5 5 4, nothing like that. But in float value, uh, anything after the dot, that that means it's a float value. And string also, it's a text. It means like Python, let's say I would say Yash is also string value, Raj also string value. Anything under the under the like okay, I would say water is also string value, like this. Okay, and boolean is a like true and false value. Let's say is is point is equal to true. So it becomes a, it means that variable is point is equal to true. All right, but after that, here is the examples like I said that x is equal to 10, it's an integer. Float, y is equal to 3.14, it's a float value. Name is equal to Python name. Here is a name is a variable, and Python is a value of that variable. And what is the data type of this Python? It means that this is a string value. In y variable, 3.14 is a float value. So it shows the data type of your variable. And is active is equal to true, so that means like this is a boolean value. After that, here is second topic, the data structure. Data structures is a Python. Python has built-in data structures to store the multiple values of in different way. All right. So the first of all, I would say list. List is an ordered collection of elements. It means like, let's say fruits. Here is a variable of our, and in that, in the bracket, we are going to say apple, banana, and mango. So these three are string values, right? And in that we can add also the list is very important. Like we can also add one more string in this list value. So let's say I want to add fruits dot append graphs. So you can also add elements in your list value. Here is the important thing: you can add any value and any element in the list, but you can't add any value in tuples. So these are the two difference between list and tuples. As you can see, I make this variable fruits is equal to apple, banana, and mango, and I can also add the new element in the fruits variable. And after that, if you want to access your element, let's say I want uh, one value from the fruits. So I can say print fruits and 0. So it will give you the uh, first string from the list of your in this variable. So it will give me output of apple. As you can see, 0 is this start from 0 1 2 3. Here is a 3, 0 1 2 3. Okay, and after that